Wealthy investors have always had an advantage: expensive advisors and research tools that average people cannot afford. AI has ended that advantage. Today, I am showing you how to use free AI tools to research, understand, and approach investing. Important disclaimer before we start: I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is personalized financial advice. This video is educational, showing you how AI tools can help you research and understand investing concepts. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any investment decisions. With that said, let's talk about how AI is changing the accessibility of financial education. Using AI to understand investing basics. Most people avoid investing because they do not understand it. The terminology feels designed to exclude beginners: ETFs, index funds, compound interest, diversification, dollar cost averaging, asset allocation, risk tolerance. These concepts are simple once explained clearly. AI explains them better than most textbooks. Open Claude. Try these prompts. Explain index fund investing to me like I am completely new to investing. Use simple language, real examples, and tell me why most financial experts recommend it for beginners. What is the difference between an ETF and a mutual fund? Which is better for someone just starting with small amounts? Explain compound interest with a specific example showing what happens if I invest $100 per month for 30 years versus $200 per month starting 10 years later. Claude explains each concept clearly, no jargon, no assumption of prior knowledge, with specific numbers and real examples. Using AI to research before investing. Before considering any investment, use Claude to research it thoroughly. For index funds and ETFs, what are the main risks I should understand before investing? For individual stocks, use Claude carefully here. Use Claude for understanding business models and concepts, not for current market data. Explain how company name's business model works. What factors typically affect its stock performance? This helps you understand what you are buying rather than following tips blindly. For understanding economic concepts that affect investments. How does rising interest rates typically affect stock market performance and bond values? The goal is not to let AI make your investment decisions. The goal is to use AI to become educated enough to make your own informed decisions. Building an investment tracking system. Once you begin investing, tracking matters. Most people either obsess over daily prices, damaging their decisions, or ignore their portfolio entirely, missing important rebalances needs. The middle ground. A monthly review system built in Notion with Claude. Claude builds the complete template, paste it into Notion, update it once per month. Your monthly review asks these questions: is my portfolio still aligned with my goals? Has any single investment grown too large as a percentage of the total? Am I still contributing consistently? Has anything significant changed in my financial situation? This monthly review takes 30 minutes. It keeps you engaged without the daily anxiety of checking prices. Long-term investors who review monthly consistently outperform investors who check daily. The Beginner Action Plan. Everything discussed today made actionable for complete beginners. Week 1, education only. Use Claude 30 minutes per day to learn investing basics. Do not invest a single dollar yet. Understand before you act. Week 2, research platforms. Ask Claude to explain the investment platforms available in your country. Understand fees, minimums, and account types. Choose one reputable regulated platform. Week 3, start small. Invest the smallest amount the platform allows, typically $10 to $50. The amount does not matter. Building the habit does. Choose a broad market index fund to start. Week 4 onwards, contribute consistently. Set up automatic monthly contributions, whatever you can afford without financial stress. $25 per month beats $0 per month every single time. Review monthly using your Notion tracker. Investing is not exciting. It is not meant to be. It is slow, boring, and one of the most powerful financial decisions you will make in your lifetime. AI makes learning it accessible. Reminder: nothing in this video is personalized financial advice. Always research thoroughly and consult professionals before making investment decisions. What AI does give you: education, research assistance, and organizational tools that were previously available only to those who could afford professional advice. Use that access responsibly. Claude is free at Claude AI. Notion is free at notion.so. Both linked in the description below. Subscribe for new videos. See you in the next.